guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we are doing another case unboxing, and we actually have a Hot Wheels Case F. You can see it right there on the front, and I don't know if you can kind of tell, this box is pretty beat up as well. Looks like both ends kind of got smushed, so I really hope that there's nothing damaged inside of this. But if there are any damaged cars that are pretty cool, I'll probably add them to my 6-lane raceway. And I do videos on those every single day with YouTube Shorts. But also, don't forget, on my merch store, I'm giving away this Hot Wheel RLC Custom Camaro. So all you have to do is just hop onto my merch store. Whenever you make purchases, for every $5 you spend, automatically get entered into this giveaway. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And a lot of the cars that are in this that are maybe like duplicates or cars that I just already have, and like all the cars that are in like great condition, will be on my merch store. So definitely go check it out. If there's any damaged cars, don't worry, I'm not going to be sending those out, but all like the really good condition cars. But definitely check it out. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead, set this aside, and get started with the case unboxing. I'm going to carefully lay this down, and yeah, it's pretty much beat up on all sides, so I'm a little worried about that, but we will see what happens in this case unboxing. Hopefully, if there is anything good, it's not destroyed, but we will definitely see. So let's go ahead and let's see, cut the tape right across here. There we go. Man, this does kind of suck that the box is heavily damaged, but it is what it is. Sometimes it's the risk I take whenever I get these cases. Let's go ahead and move it out of the way. There we go. Let's go ahead and start right up on top. And it's already kind of tricky the way they're kind of stacked in there. Oh, that's why. Okay. So we have, dang, it's also damaged. So we have the 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. We have the Volvo XC40 Recharge and a damaged Mighty K. So this is a new color. It's like in like a, I don't want to say gold, it's more like a tan with some pink accents. But that right there, you see like the corners are all dinged up. So I might be opening this and putting on my 6-lane raceway. So we will definitely see about that. Next up we have, got some cool cars I've been excited about. Well, not the Shark Bite, but the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. That looks really cool. It has like the green trim down at the bottom. And then also the Cadillac Project GPH Hypercar. That, I will definitely be opening up one of those. This one actually looks like it's in pretty good condition, so that might actually be on my merch store. But if I do get another one that's damaged, you know I'm definitely going to be opening that up, putting it on the 6-lane raceway to race in some upcoming videos. Okay, we got the Custom Auto in a cool new color. A 605 Fiat 5000 Modificazione, or I don't even know how to say that. And then we also have the Land Lowrider. Alright, we have a new color for the Monster High Ghoulmobile, a Runaway Rescue, and a Surf Duty. I've got the Tesla Model Y, the Punk Rod, and the Aston Martin. Actually, the Punk Rod is actually a pretty curved card. Aston Martin 1963 DB5. And it's actually from Goldfinger. As you can see, it's the James Bond car. Okay, got cars kind of stuck together here. So the card's kind of messed up on this one with the Mazda AutoZam. This was the Hot Wheel Legends Store winner. And actually a cool new color. It's like a dark kind of bluish gray. Then we have the 1994 Audi Avant RS2. And the Silverado EV RST. Which, that's kind of interesting. And then we got this car as well as these other two. So we got the Ford Performance Supervan 4, the Custom 72 Chevy Love, and the Flippin' Fast. That's actually kind of an interesting car. So it looks like, oh my gosh, I've never, I don't know if they brought this back, but it has a special feature. That's the top of the car. But there's another top of the car. So it's literally, it flips. So the front splitter here, when you flip it over, is now the spoiler for that side. So that is really interesting. And it has the big tires so they can drive upside down. So that's honestly pretty cool. I'm probably going to open that and maybe have it in some upcoming races as well. Alright, we have the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel in black. We got the Baja truck, and the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in a cool new color. Ooh, okay, so we got the new color on the Ford GT40, which is nice, dark blue. The Mustang Funny Car, and the Brick and Delivery. Alright, we have a Batmobile, Mod Speeder, and a Brick and Motor. Oh, did I miss a car? Yeah, I did. Ooh, okay, I've been excited for that one too. So the Golf Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. So I honestly really love the Golf liveries, so every time a new one comes out I get excited. We also have the 70 Dodge Charger RT and the Tanknator. And then we have the 57 Chevy, the Corvette Stingray, and the 5-alarm. And that is the first half of the case. Let's go ahead and pull out the divider. We still have not found the regular treasure hunt or the super treasure hunt. And if the super is in this case, I really hope it's not damaged, because a lot of these cards actually have like some dinged corners and stuff, and I am a little concerned, so we will see. Let's go ahead and start up here on the top. Oh gosh, they're all over the place. Alright, so we have the Batmobile, Tanknator, and Land Lowrider. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So it's the Pontiac Aztec Custom. So I mean, that's old school Pontiac Aztec and like a race car version of it. The Mustang Funny Car and the 15 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Ooh, okay, we got a cool new color on the Trouble Decker. It was all red before. Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. And the Monster High Ghoulmobile. Ooh, okay. We got another Flippin' Fast Audi RS e-tron GT in a interesting kind of goldish kind of brown color. And then a Zinger 21C in a cool new red. I got the Drift and Brake, Surf Duty, and Ford Performance Super Van 4. We did not get the Super Treasure Hunt. So it would have been the 71 El Camino if we would have gotten it, but we did not. The Silverado EV RST and the Terra Tractol. But we could probably still get the regular treasure hunt, so hopefully we do. And we got another Golf Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe, another Terra Tractol, and another Aston Martin 1963 DB5. Alright, let's see. I'm really hoping we still at least get the regular treasure hunt. Oh, we got a car that I've really been excited for. Not the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, or not the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT, but we have the Porsche 911 Carrera keychain car. So as you see, it's like all metal, and there's a little hook there on the back, so you can hook it onto a keychain. But boom, that is one I've actually been really excited for. Even has a stripe on the side that says Porsche. I don't know if you can really see that very well in the picture in the video, but I've been super excited for this to come out, so yeah. And if I only have one of those, it's not going to be on my website yet. I do have multiple cases coming in the future that I will probably get multiple of those and be able to have those on my merch store. But I do want to keep at least one for myself, and that one's a little damaged, so probably hold on to that one. We got the Lolux, Corvette Stingray, and Baja Truck. Alright, another 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a T-Rex Rover, and the Supercharged. All right, we got another 605 Fiat 5000, Volvo XC40 Recharge, and another 57 Chevy. And the last three cars for the case, I really hope it has a regular treasure hunt. And it does not. So, got another custom 72 Chevy Love, Nissan Patrol Custom, and the 70 Dodge Charger RT. So, we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt or the regular treasure hunt in that case. So, that's a little disappointing. But then again, the case was pretty beat up. And honestly, if I would have got like the Super and it was beat up, I'd probably been really disappointed. But I did get some really awesome new cars in this case. A lot of these will be on my website, so definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And whenever you guys hop on there, make a purchase, you can automatically get entered into this giveaway. It does go until the end of March, so March 31st. So definitely hop on there, check it out. Link in the description down below. But if you guys did like this video and want to see more videos like this, definitely go down and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. I do YouTube shorts every single day with racing Hot Wheels. Here's some of them right here. Got the racetrack off to the side, but definitely go check out all those videos. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.